Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. This is Huawei's latest device in Nigeria. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to do so. Join the family. First off, opening the box, we have the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 with its specifications on the sticker in front of the screen. You can see the dewdrop notch, we'll get into that later. Then checking out the stuff in the box, we have the SIM ejector tool, the user manual, we have a film screen protector, and we have a rear silicone case, which is needed because I heard this device is a fingerprint magnet. So let's get into the device itself. I got the midnight black version with a dual rear AI camera and a fingerprint scanner at the back. The design so far looks good, but good is always not enough. When we stick on the front, we can see the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. This is actually impressive now. We also have a dual nano SIM slot with a micro SD card slot too. Turning on the phone took a very long time to set up, so I'm going to skip that. Taking my time to admire this device again, I put on the rear silicone case because this device is a fingerprint magnet. The dewdrop notch is looking amazing. But one thing about this device you should know is the 720p display. So guys, this is the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. Let's check out some features. Drop down notification spot. We have the eye comfort. Ultra battery saver is back. Wow, this was removed from almost all devices last year. I don't know why, but it features on this device, so we're gonna check that out later. We have the Huawei EMUI 8.2, an Android version of 8.1, 3 GB of RAM, the Snapdragon 450 processor, which is device seems to be worth the price after all, but even too cheap. I have a 32 GB internal storage with 3 GB of RAM. Checking out the camera, with the 13 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera. This is without AI. Also has AI mode. With AI turned on, the camera seems to be a little better. That's expected because it's AI. Here's a comparison between both of them. You can see the AI camera is looking better and more rich in color. We also have the aperture mode on this device. It isn't so impressive, but going for 59,900 naira, it's worth it. You could also choose to adjust the aperture effects. Yes, take it for the highest or lowest, anyhow you want, your taste. However, checking out the video mode of this device doesn't have any video stabilization. Well, there's no query there because of the price range. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so now, as more content on this device is coming out. You could also choose to watch your YouTube videos in 720p and also adjust the device to a full screen mode like this. Well, 720p display isn't so bad after all. It's worth it. This device also supports Face ID. Checking out the battery specifications, we have a 4000 mAh battery. As you can see, approximately 2 days 10 hours left. Well, we're gonna judge that. We also have the ultra power mode. I love this mode. When you're not using your device, you want longer battery life, you could choose to activate this mode if you want. I don't know why it was removed from almost all Android devices around last year. So guys, pretty much all on the Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to do so, join the family, but also turn on the notifications icon because I'm going to be doing a camera test on this device, also a comparison videos with similar devices in the same price range. But thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video.